Hi, I'm Allie. I'm with Black Unicorn and welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, I am going to be talking about and unboxing this Happy Planner dupe. It's by Pembrook, so if you want to see more, stay tuned. So today I have this Happy Planner dupe. It's Pembrook. It's a planner kit and I'm going to tell you everything it comes with. It's a 12-month journal planner. It has 12 dividers, 5 sheets of stickers, 5 sticky notepads on one sheet, and it says 3 magnetic clips. I am a planner girl. I am a Happy Planner fiend. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this. Okay, so as you can see, this concludes the end of the video. I just want to do a quick recap. As far as Pembrook, these magnet clips to hold the papers together, yes. Stickers, the numbers, that's a yes. Also the planner stickers, just to make it real cute, yes. These little sticky note packs, no. They just didn't really stick well. They kept coming off. They were folding off, you saw in the video, so I really wouldn't recommend this. And also the planner itself, as far as the rings, yes. How it looks, the design of it, yes. It actually goes along with my business because my business colors are gold and black, so that's a yes for me. I thought I had made a mistake because I thought it was just make your own plan as you go, so you'll be able to fill in all the numbers and stuff on the monthly spread, but it's not. But it's still okay. 19 to 2020, that's fine. We just got it in 2020. I can either backfill it or I can just use it because the weekly layout doesn't have any numbers, so I could just use the weekly layout for the rest of the year. So the fall, I can use that for fall, and I don't really have to get another one. I can use these same dividers. I don't mind just getting a sticker pack from Etsy, which would probably be like $7, maybe $10, and using different numbers and days of the week. So I really don't mind doing that. And you got all of this. This is my mini Happy Planner, the actual Happy Planner brand, as you can see from the seal. Just to look at it and see if these pages really did fit in these really well. So the disc, or I recommend it, honestly. You get the planner, a whole 12-month planner. You get these 5 sticky notes. You get the monthly numbers, and you also get 2 pages of, that's actually the wrong page. But 2 pages of stickers, and you get these magnets. I don't really use magnets, but okay, I guess I'll keep them. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. But this is a real good deal, only for $9.99, so basically $10. And I got this from ALDI. I don't know if I said that in the video, but I did purchase this from ALDI, and I think it's a really good find. You know, planning isn't cheap. It's really expensive to get into, especially if you really like it. I'm really a newbie. I've been planning for about 3 years. Last year was my first year getting a Happy Planner, and I saw this, and it's very comparable to the Happy Planner. So I'm glad that I did purchase this, because starting a whole Happy Planner, first of all, that takes money. You're looking at about $30. That's just if you get like a basic planner, and let's see if you were starting from scratch. Now, I did look up with this mini one. It was really mid-year when I got this one. I purchased it from Joann's for about $7. It was fine. It was halfway through the year, so I really didn't mind. I think I started in April with this one. And then I also had a co-worker who was a planner girl, so she actually gave me some notes and some things I was able to fill it in with. So this really did me justice, even though I had it for most of the year, not even a whole year. And then to get an upgrade, which is, I think this is the classic planner size. I don't think it's the big one. I don't know. Oh, actually that's a good question. Just to compare it in size, the mini, I think this will be classified as the classic, or if not, the big size. But even if it was, no, I think this is the classic. I don't think it's the big size, because the big one, that's huge. And even if it was the big one, this is still a good deal for $10 versus, you know, old Happy Planner that's halfway through the year, which was $7. So you're still getting your money's worth anyway. So that's all for my video today. I will have more to come. I have more t-shirt videos. As you can see, I have my Cricut and my heat press right here. This is my little crafting area. I have all my vinyl right there. I don't know if you can see it. So I will have more videos for as far as t-shirts. I'm planning to do, my 2020 goal is to end the year with the embroidery machine and upload some embroidery videos. So stay tuned for all of that. And yeah.